Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is the Vibeat OxyU pulse oximeter. So with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Now this is a little bit different than the pulse oximeters I've used in the past. This is a wearable pulse oximeter, so kind of like your smartwatch, this one is designed to be worn at all times. This company does sell fingertip pulse oximeters that are really more designed for putting on, doing a quick reading, and then not wearing them all day. So let's go ahead. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to get this open. We'll take a look at everything that it comes with, and then I will wear it for a while, figure out how to use it, and I'll come back and do a follow-up, show you how everything works. So we have a user guide in English and Spanish. Warranty card, looks like they have a 1-year warranty. This company does have its own website you can buy from, and they also sell on Amazon as well. Your owner's manual. And then the pulse oximeter itself. So the way this is going to work is this is going to be worn on our wrist. This is going to be connected to our finger, and then this cord is going to connect the two so that it's getting a reading at all times on our pulse oximeter. Did want to show you the charge cable real quick. A pretty standard USB charging cable. So that's a quick unboxing. Let me put it on. Once I figure it out, I'll come back and I'll show you how it works. Alright, so I've had some time to play with the pulse oximeter. I wanted to show you briefly how it works. Now, first let me say, you don't have to keep the finger sensor plugged in at all times. If you unplug it, you basically have a watch on your wrist if you wanted to keep this on. You've got your battery level, and you have the current time at all times. Now, most people probably aren't going to walk around with this, but if you're somebody who's maybe looking to take this off maybe when you're cooking and you don't want to take it off, it does serve a purpose without the sensor. But you're buying this because you want to check your blood oxygen level. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to simply plug this in. And then once we plug it in, it has an auto on and an auto off. All you have to do is put the sensor on your finger. It will automatically start reading, and it will turn on the pulse oximeter. After a couple of seconds, we should start seeing it reading data. And there we go. You basically have two things that you can view at all times on your display. Your blood oxygen level, so mine's at 95%, and then my current heart rate. Really simple. I got to give this company a lot of credit. If you want a simple pulse oximeter, this is about as simple as you can get. Put the sensor on your finger, plug it into your device. That's it. There's no on-off, there's no buttons, there's nothing like that. You don't have to use a cell phone app. You don't have to create an account with the company. You can use it as basic as this. Now, I will say they do have an app, and I'm going to try and show you that. Now, there's not going to be a whole lot to show because I'm opening it right here. But if you wanted to use their app, it basically shows a historical trend. As I mentioned before, this is giving you your current reading, so my blood oxygen level percentage and my beats per minute, whereas when you use the app, that's where you can see your historical information. You can see that this chart is gradually growing as I continue to wear the device. Shows your oxygen level history, your pulse rate history, and then motion. I haven't got up and moved, but if I get up and start moving, it will also track your motion. You've got an option down here for history. You can go back and look at month or the last year or the week. And then your current dashboard is just your current readings. You can see when the last time was it was updated 1 minute ago. I'll also mention that they have some settings in here. If you want to get alerts, for example, whenever your oxygen level falls below a certain threshold, you can set that kind of stuff up in the app. The nice thing about the app is you do not have to create an account with this company. You can simply download the app and it will read all of the data from your sensor. Now, they do give you an option to create an account if you wanted to, but it is not a requirement. So you can simply use the app exactly like I'm showing without giving them any kind of information. Really simple stuff. That's a look at how the OxyU pulse oximeter by Vibeat works. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.